بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. This is Sama Al-Aliya Private School. Miss Arij Banat with you today. And today we're going to have Next Move, Unit 8, Lesson 6. Let's go through the new vocabulary words that we have here. The first word is statue. Statue. This is a statue. An example. This is the Statue of Liberty in New York. Century. Century. A century is 100 years. Temple. Temple. This ancient temple is hundreds of years old. Worth. Worth. This huge diamond is worth $200 million.
Unit 8, Lesson 6, Activity 1, page 81. Listen and read. What does Jack buy?
Wow! Look at these statues.
They're beautiful. When were they made?
They were made in the 12th century.
This one doesn't have a head.
No, some of the statues were broken and some were stolen.
When were they stolen?
They were stolen by thieves in a war years ago. They were worth a lot of money.
I'd like to buy a postcard of the temple.
How about this amazing picture?
Wow! When was it taken?
It was taken early in the morning on a sunny day.
It's beautiful. I'm going to keep it forever.
Now let's discover grammar. At page 81, you have a green box that is entitled Discover Grammar. Let's have a look at it. A. Read Activity 1 again. Circle a question with was or where plus past participle. So let's have a look at the text and try to find all the questions that are in the past participle form. When were they made? When were they stolen? And when was it taken? Look at the following sentence. Thieves stole some of the statues. If I ask you who stole the statues, the answer would be thieves did, right? So thieves is the subject. Stole is the verb in this sentence. And the object is some of the statues. The subject means the doer of the action in this sentence. So who stole some of the statues? That would be the thieves. And the object, as we said before, is the receiver of the action. So what was stolen? Some of the statues. Let's go back to the sentence. Thieves stole some of the statues. Some of the statues were stolen. Notice here the sentence. If I start with the object, so the object here becomes the subject of the sentence. And then if I add verb to be plus verb 3, Then we have the passive voice. Let's look at this question. Thieves stole some of the statues in a war years ago. If I ask you, when did this happen? When were the statues stolen? So I added the question word when, and then I put verb to be, and then I finished the sentence, the statues stolen. So they were stolen in a war years ago. Notice here, I start with when, I put the verb to be where, and then the statues, and then finally verb in the past participle form, stolen. Now remember, this is a revision. We took the passive voice in details in a previous lesson. You can always go back to it. Please do homework, exercise 2, pupils book, page 81, and exercise 3 at the same page. Well, that's it for today. It was Miss Arij Banat with you. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day. Bye.